Hey guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change Discord password. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Discord apps on your phone. And now you have to go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. After that, in this page, tap on account here. And in account page, you will see password option. You just have to tap on it now. Now first, you have to enter your current password to change it. And in the column below, type your new password. If you're done, tap on save button at the top right. And yeah, if you go back to this page, that means your password is already changed. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I think it's enough. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.